Hello traders, welcome back to a new video where we're breaking down the markets and find high probability trading setups. In today's video, we will be analyzing multiple pairs that we think we can trade for the week. We have got high impact news coming up, including Australia's CPI, Bank of England Governor Pelley speaking, Bank of Canada rate decisions, FOMC meeting minutes in the US. Let's break it down. So let's start by analyzing fundamental analysis. So what's coming? First news is Australian CPI, which will be dropped on, which will be released on 12:30 a.m. in our time here in London. As you can see here, previous was 0.2% and now forecast is showing 0.3%. Also, we have EURUSD CPI forecast is also showing 2.5%. Previous was 2.3%. Also, here we have 3-month mean CPI, which forecast was 0.6% and previous was 0.8%. Impact on AUD pairs. So AUDUSD, EURAUD and GBPUSD, it can impact on this news. If inflation comes higher than expected, the AUD could strengthen and pushing AUDUSD up while weakening EURAUD and GBPAUD. If inflation is lower, Australian dollar may weaken, which could send, of course, EURUSD lower and EURAUD and GBPAUD higher. Second news, guys, for tomorrow is pound sterling. So Bank of England Governor Pelley is speaking at 12:30 p.m. On GBP pairs. When central bankers speak, the market listens. Any hawkish comments hinting at future rate hikes could push pound, sending GBPUSD, GBPAUD and GBPCAD higher. If Pelley sounds dovish, expect sterling to weaken, meaning GBPUSD, GBPAUD and GBPCAD could drop. Bank of Canada interest rate decisions also will be dropped on 2:45 3:30 p.m. on our time. Forecast here it shows 3%. And previous was 3.25% expected rate cut. A rate cut generally weakens on Canadian dollar, so GBPCAD may push up if expectations are confirmed. If Bank of Canada keeps rates unchanged or sounds hawkish, GBPCAD may drop. Last news for tomorrow that we have is dollar. Federal funds rate forecast is for 50%. Previous was for 50 as well. If Powell is hawkish, the dollar could strengthen, sending EURUSD, GBPUSD down and gold lower as well. If Fed hints the future rate cuts, dollar could weaken, boosting EURUSD, GBPUSD and gold as well. So now let's start technical analysis and trade setups. First, let's look together on USD indexes. So if I show you the overall structure on dollar, so here where I was expecting dollar to reach, so you can see this level at the moment is a strong sell buy level. So I'm expecting for dollar tomorrow, guys, to be again in to remain a bullish momentum. So and now you can see this structure on our trend line. It touches multiple times. We got an impulse coming down to hourly time frame. So you can see here in today morning we got yesterday night we got impulse, and now the price is in consolidation. So we are expecting again for dollar to be strength and remain a bullish momentum until it reach these up levels. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting for dollar. And next, let me show you JBP. So JBP, guys, is now we can see last week it was really a strong buy momentum and bullish momentum, and now we can see even it break this area of volume. So now I'm expecting, guys, if this ascending channel form here, I'm expecting pound to drop as well. So it can pull back these lower levels. So anyway, we will see when we get a strong structure. So now it's kind of in consolidation at the moment. Next we have AUD Australian dollar. So Australian dollar basically was dropping. So this is the overall general structure that we have at the moment. So I was expecting for Australian dollar to reach this level, but it was nearly reached it. So now here we can see on our trend line it didn't break yet, but the reason why I'm saying like for again it will be strength is that now on our trend line here we have descending channel, meaning that again we can see AUDUSD could reach again higher potential for these levels. Okay, so I'm expecting buy for Australian dollar as well. Next we have Canadian dollar. So Canadian dollar basically is same structure as dollar, and now let me show you here. We have, I was expecting it to reach this lower level, but it didn't happen. So here on hourly time frame, so we got an impulse. Here let me show you in a bigger picture. So here we got an impulse correction. So before tomorrow's news, let's see if Canadian dollar reach these lower levels, then it is higher possibility that it can again become a bullish momentum. Okay, so bullish market. So this is what I am looking at the moment for CAD. So that is for the indices. So now let me show you the trade setups that we can trade for tomorrow. So first let's start by looking EURUSD. So this is the overall structure in for our time frame for EURUSD. So basically here we can see the structure at the moment. So EURUSD, to be honest with you, the structure at the moment that we have is here it reached on our trend line on an impulse, and now we get an impulse, now a correction. After this break we are looking for down sell. Okay, so me personally I'm expecting EURUSD to reach these lower levels, which will be around 170 pips. Okay, so for you, whenever you are trading this pair, always use stop loss and however you can. Next we have GBPUSD, which is also same similar structure for EURUSD. So here again on GBPUSD, so we can see an impulse. I'm expecting these lower levels. I was thinking again it to reach for these levels, but it nearly didn't happen yet. So but now we have here kind of a descending channel. So if this descending channel it breaks as well, so it nearly we are getting an entry, and again we will expecting a downtrend. So that's what we are looking for Australian dollar as well. So you can trade whatever pips that you like. So for me 150 pips is enough. So next we have AUD-CAD. So let me show you as well for AUD-CAD. So this is the overall structure for AUD-CAD. So last time we buy it here, and now we can see the price is coming back. So it's still we are expecting it for guys to reach this double top. So that's our target for AUD-CAD. So if you want to trade AUD-CAD, basically this is our structure. Next we have AUDUSD. So if the dollar strengthens tomorrow, guys, then means we are expecting AUDUSD to drop as well. Okay, so this is the structure that I'm looking at the moment. It is possible again for AUDUSD to reach these lower levels. So but this structure that we have in at the moment, and this trade is already running. So and I am confident that AUDUSD will reach this lower target. So but now is already pushing lovely. So next we also now let's look together on EURUSD. So last time we buy it EURUSD these lower levels, and now we see it reach it here, which is really area of value. So and again this is our trend line. It didn't break yet, but we are expecting it again, if it's possible, for tomorrow's news for Euro USD to drop as well. So actually I think this will be a strong level. So if you really get an entry for this pair, so you have to hold until these areas, which will be around more than 200 pips. So but now coming down to 15-minute, I want to show you we are already getting kinda here for ascending channel. So the price will be again in a short period of pi, so until it will reach these levels. So if it reaches these levels, of course we can sell for Euro USD. So we will wait, we will just watch the market, what will happen until we are getting a confirmation. Next, GBPUSD. Basically GBPUSD also kind of same structure for Euro USD. I was expecting it to reach this double top, but it didn't. The price is kind of now reversing. So where can we expect for GBPUSD as well? So the structure is already similar. So if I draw you here, so you can nearly see it is same structure as GBP I mean Euro USD. So again, if pound reach or nearly reaches these levels, then we are selling as well. So our targets will be on these lower levels. So just we are waiting a confirmation until tomorrow's news. Next, we have NZD USD. So to be honest with you, the structure for NZD USD is already in lovely structure. So we sell it, and now we will hold until it will drop these lower levels. So I am expecting it NZD USD to reach here. So it will be already, this trade is running. So but again we can get 130 pips. Okay, so but the structure of NZD USD is awesome. USD CHF, as we are expecting it for tomorrow's interest rate for dollar, so it is likely possible that again your USD CHF to be strength again in a bullish momentum. So we will also wait it until it reaches these lower levels. So the target will be around here, so meaning that will expect 188 pips. So next we have GBPCAD. The reason why I add on the list for GBPCAD, it is because is tomorrow's news for Canadian dollar. So if tomorrow, as you can see, because now I can see that GBPCHF really reached a level that I think it is a strong sell area. Okay, so that is why we will drop as well. So the structure, the overall structure for GBPCAD is this, because it reached nearly this sell zones. So, and we got already an impulse. So what we can expect for tomorrow, so for GBPCAD, so what we can expect if the price pullbacks around these levels. Okay, so let me draw you here. So GBPCAD, if it reaches here again this double top, then we are expecting a downtrend. Okay, until these lower levels. So if we sell it here for GBPCAD, meaning that we will get nearly 350 pips. Okay, so that will be our main goal for GBPCAD. Lastly, guys, is gold. Okay, gold, I analyze it many times. I'm following gold, the structure and everything. So, and always I'm telling you here, so here, guys, is a strong sell zone. So, and it nearly gold reached this level. So again, now we can see, even for today's morning, we buy it here for gold and now this trade is already running 260. So if gold again, is it possible gold again to reach this double top? Yes, it is possible. Nearly 250 pips more left. So just we are waiting until for tomorrow's confirmation. It is possible to drop here again, but it can be rigid there as well. So what will happen? But only thing I can say to you is that we are expecting gold to drop, whether from here or whether it will reach in this higher level. So anyway, we will expect gold to drop. Okay, and this time when gold drops, guys, we will get a lot of pips. Okay, a lot of opportunities on gold. So if it gold drops this higher level, that means we will expect nearly 1000 pips. Okay, so that is what we are expecting on the market. But don't forget also here on this level is also in a really higher level that gold can drop. Okay, so what we will watch, it will be a confirmation, so whether we will get there on our entry, but I am nearly sure somehow we will get our entry for gold. So but our target will be a worth of, okay, gold. So my final thought, guys, be prepared for volatility for tomorrow. Focus on key levels structure before taking trades. Always manage risk and avoid over leveraging. So that's the end of the video. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Let's make this week a profitable week.